Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Look what I have here. A box from Amazon. Let's see what's inside. I might have a hint knowing what's inside this box, but how about I show you viewers? Let's get into it. The box is rather heavy when the mailman delivered it to me. So let's see what we got. The BISSEL Spot Clean Pro. I am super pumped about trying this product out. Let's get out of the box. Let's see what it looks like. Directions. A little cleaning tool for small areas. This is actually goes on the end of the vacuum. This is for larger surface areas. Sample size of the BISSEL Spot Clean formula. Nice. Here she is. Actually, not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. After all, it is portable. Look at that. Cool. Super clean, super new, super long cord. I think it's 22 feet. So, that's awesome. That right there kind of locks in, so you can easily pull the hose out. Wraps around there. Very cool. Remy, yeah. Yeah. The BISSEL Spot Clean Pro, bud. Yeah. You want some camera time, Remy? Come here. Come here. Come here. Look. Look. Jump up. Up, Remy. Up. This is Remy. He's a wine rider. Oh, boy. Alright, I'm gonna finish shooting the video, okay? Okay. Alright. So, I can't wait to get to cleaning with the BISSEL Spot Clean Pro. Thank you for watching this video of the unboxing of the BISSEL Spot Clean Professional. I cannot wait to start using it, and there will absolutely be a video on the cleaning process of it. Until next time, peace.